We have problem. Find the earlier. Find the earlier. The reason as under the curve has the equation y equal fx from the a to b. In this year we suppose fx non-negative. We want to find the earlier x. How to find that? How to find that? Okay, if you want to find the earlier under the curve, you need to follow some steps. Step one. We divide the interval AB into a small subinterval by the partition B of AB. Partition B, cách chia. Partition B, cách chia. This is here we divide the interval AB by a log point, x0, f1, etc., fn. A equal x0, B equal fn. The first step, we need to divide. Okay? Okay, to continue this way on partition B, we divide the earlier x by a long term earlier, small earlier. F1, F2, F3, etc. Fn. Okay. I think you know when slide here is not small, we can approximate small earlier here by earlier of rectangular. Yes? If earlier here is not small, we can approximate the earlier here by the earlier of rectangular. What do you can approximate here? Okay, you can approximate. To continue step 2. Step 2. If increment xi, okay, we can denote this by xi minus 1. Okay? I subinterval. Okay? Là cái đoạn là con y I subinterval. Okay? I subinterval. If the I subinterval is not small, if it's true, arbitrary one, xi star belong subinterval, we can approximate xi by this method. Okay, this here is into the xi. If you take the S star here, xi star. Okay, we have the earlier xi approximate the earlier of this rectangular. Rectangular, we have the xi star. This is time, so narrow. Narrow here is into the delta xi. Okay, we can approximate if the I subinterval here is not small. I think you know the S is equal sum. F1 plus F2 plus Fm. So we have we have the earlier under the curve approximate the sum. Okay, we can denote the sum here by mn. Okay, I think you can take those. You can take those. The sum here has the name Riemann sum. And Riemann sum. And Riemann sum. Tổng Riemann với đầu. Okay, now continue. You can see if the ohm increment at I is not small, we have the mn cancel earlier. Okay, cancel earlier. If the delta xi for ohm is not small, we have the Riemann sum, and Riemann sum here is 10 to n. 10 to n. Does that mean we can find the limit? We can find that earlier. Okay, it's by on the limit. Okay, it's by on the idea. It's by on the idea. If the 4 ohm delta xi is not small, we have the mn is 10 to n. So we have the definite integral is by on. Now we have the definition. Select to definite integral. The consider is a co-integrable on AB if the limit of Riemann sum exists and finite. Okay, and this here is related to absolute P 10 to 0. Satisfy two following conditions. The first, the limit does not depend on the way the interval AB divides. Does that mean it does not depend on B? B, the limit does not depend on the choice, the point xi star. Then the limit here is a co-definite integral of f df. Okay, you can denote this by I is equal. Absolute P is called the norm function. It equals the distance, the length of all subinterval. Absolutely, it measures to the mark of all subinterval. Ở đây chữ integrable là chữ khả tích nhé. Integrable là khả tích. Simultaneously là đồng thời, đây là đồng thời. Và chữ norm position này là chuẩn của cách chia. Chuẩn cách chia thì định nghĩa bằng là giá trị lớn nhất của các đoạn con. Okay.